Samsung is working on 3 new Galaxy A series phones: the Galaxy A56, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A26. These phones have already been spotted on certification websites and benchmarking platforms, and we've heard some leaks and rumors about their designs and features. Recently, Samsung confirmed the Galaxy A26 by making its support page live. However, there was no official confirmation for the A56 and A36. Now Samsung has listed all 3 phones on its official website. We found the Galaxy A56, A36, and 26 on a page for out-of-warranty repairs on Samsung's website in Chile. The page includes the retail names and model numbers of these phones, which confirms that Samsung will launch them in Chile soon. Since Samsung listed all 3 phones at the same time, it's likely they will launch together, similar to how the Galaxy A55 and A35 were released together. Rumors suggest they could be launched next month. The page also shows the price for screen replacements on other Galaxy phones, but it doesn't mention the cost for screen repairs on the A56, A36, and A26 because they haven't been launched yet. The Samsung Galaxy A56 is set to bring a new era of artificial intelligence-powered innovation with its highly anticipated features. One of the standout capabilities is artificial intelligence-driven text summarization, allowing users to condense lengthy content with just a tap, making information more accessible and easier to digest. Another exciting feature is artificial intelligence-powered photo editing, which enables users to remove unwanted objects from images effortlessly, enhancing the quality of their shots without the need for third-party apps. Additionally, the Galaxy A56 is expected to include intelligent battery management, optimizing usage patterns to extend battery life and ensure efficiency throughout the day. Powering these artificial intelligence capabilities is the new Exynos 15A processor, designed to handle tasks intelligently and smoothly. Furthermore, the device is rumored to support 45-watt super-fast charging, providing users with quicker charging times and less downtime. With awesome intelligence at its core, the Samsung Galaxy A56 is shaping up to be a mid-range smartphone that offers premium-like artificial intelligence experiences. As we await its official release, these expected artificial intelligence enhancements hint at a more intuitive and efficient mobile experience for users. However, it is important to note that this information is based on news and rumors. Take this with a pinch of salt, as official details will be revealed when the phone is officially launched. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.